Hi friends, I'm Sridhar. I'm the founder of Nutritious Meal Program. Way back in 2009, me and my friend we were traveling on the road when we saw a child sitting near the dustbin and having its food. Along with this child, there were three other dogs. That actually made us feel that the children are so hungry that they don't mind coming to the dustbin and having that food, which is a waste. So this actually made us think a lot, and then we started with this nutritious meal program. Initially, we were able to start with about 250 children, and then over a period of now close to around 6 years time, we have reached a figure of about 21,000 children in 19 different locations all across India. Thanks to the individual donors and the corporates of this country who have come forward to support our program. I wish to inform you that we are not seeking any kind of government support for this program. We are totally dependent on individuals and the corporates. Now, over a period of about 6 years' time, the confidence level of the donors are diminishing for the reason that when we started telefundraising in 2009, we were the first to start this telefundraising. So a donor receiving a call from a charity organization, we were the first to call them. So there was no doubt, there was no ambiguity. They were checking the website, they were checking the photographs, and then they were convinced that the program is going on, and they came forward to support us. But then in the last 6 years' time, the mushroom of NGOs who have started now asking donation from the individuals and the corporates. So the donors are demanding that such a program is really existing or not. So we thought we should come out with something very, very innovative even this time. So again, we are going to be the first in India to show our donors the live streaming nutritious meal program which has commenced this morning. This has to happen. Donors like you should come forward and support us. We also need many NGOs to come forward and take this program and run this program in their local levels, local locations. And through this message, I am inviting all the NGOs to come forward and ask us how you can implement this program in your location. As far as donors are concerned, personally or on every day, you can log on to our website nohungrychild.co.in, and on the home page itself, we have put up a small image where if you click, you can see the program live. Sitting in your comfort of your house or office, you can watch our program from Monday onwards. So for that, please come forward and support us. Thank you so much. Thank you.